We come to the elevators at Macy. It's the Old Orchard Professional Building. Oh, good. We get the one that doesn't have padding in it.
Sam's just gonna stand in the way here.
I don't. Apparently, oh, actually, these were originally Westy. Looks like before that. I remember these got a mod in the '90s by Montgomery. They had innovation in the VFDs, and someone filmed them then.
Lower level.
That looks like one.
Going up.
Mac. You hear the click.
Oh, you're right. These are a little shaky.
Seventh floor. Going down.
Oh, we're stopping.
Yeah, these are busy.
Oh, we got a upright.
True.
Going down.
That TV.
Let me get some water while we're here. See the floors going by.
Yeah, very shaky.
Right.
Going up.
Right then. Hey, we come to the lifts. And that's all.